After walking through the traditional Hanok area in Seoul, I continued to Gyeongbokgung Palace, one of the most important historic sites in South Korea. This is not a fort, but a royal palace. It was the main palace of the Joseon Dynasty, the Korean kingdom that ruled for more than 5 centuries. The large gate here is part of the palace's formal layout, leading deeper into the royal complex toward the main throne hall. Everything is arranged on a grand central axis, giving a strong feeling of order, ceremony, and royal authority. What makes the visit especially beautiful today is seeing people walking through the palace grounds in hanbok, traditional Korean clothing. Against the huge gates, stone courtyards, wooden halls, and tiled roofs, the colors of the hanbok make the whole scene feel much more alive. Gyeongbokgung is right in the middle of modern Seoul, but inside the palace walls the atmosphere changes completely. You feel the space opening up, with broad courtyards, mountain views in the distance, and elegant palace architecture all around. After traveling through China and spending just one night in Korea on my way back to Japan, this short morning visit gave me a perfect final glimpse of traditional Korean culture before heading home.
속으론 내 생각뿐이었기에 그 기억들 다 모여서 어디선가 나를 부르고 있어 다시 찾아 From up on the hill 베인 내 맘도 내 것이 아니니 And I hold on Cause I hear so 내 안에 모든 멜로디 그대 안에 내 안에 모든
identity and exchanging salutes.
现在，两位守门将互相确认身份，互敬军礼。
If you would like to know more about my experience over the past 5 decades, learning and using more than 30 languages around the globe, with adventures in 101 countries so far, then please visit my website, polyglotdreams.com. There you will find my memoir, A Life in 30 Languages, translated in various languages and integrated with audio and dual readers to offer a great way to improve your target languages.